Think about that massive pile of dirty, sweaty clothes sitting in your laundry basket right now. You toss them all into a metal box, pour in some brightly colored liquid, press a button, and walk away. An hour later, they miraculously come out perfectly clean and smelling like fresh flowers. For thousands of years, doing the laundry meant spending an entire day hauling heavy buckets of water, scrubbing clothes violently against rough rocks, and wringing them out by hand until your fingers literally blistered. Today, we completely take for granted that this one household appliance saves us hours of back-breaking physical labor every single week. But what is actually happening behind that locked door while the timer counts down? If you have ever stared through the glass window of your washing machine and wondered how simply swishing some soapy water around can magically erase stubborn grass stains, heavy mud, and body oils, you are definitely not alone. We trust these machines with our most expensive clothes, yet most of us treat them like a magical, mysterious box. And the moment the machine stops draining or starts shaking like an airplane taking off in your kitchen, panic instantly sets in, because we have absolutely no idea what is happening inside the metal casing. Today, let us strip away the complicated digital touchscreens and the confusing wash cycle names. We are going to open up the hardware and break down exactly how a washing machine cleans your clothes step by step, combining simple mechanical engineering with a little bit of everyday chemistry. To truly understand how this machine works, you first need to know a brilliant design secret hiding just out of sight. When you open the door of your washing machine, you see a shiny stainless steel drum covered in hundreds of tiny holes. But if that drum is full of holes, how does the machine hold the water without flooding your entire floor? The secret is that there are actually two completely separate drums inside the machine, one resting perfectly inside the other. The inner drum with the holes is the one you see and touch. This is where your clothes sit, and it is attached to a powerful electric motor that allows it to spin. But completely wrapping around that inner drum, hidden just inches away inside the main cabinet, is a second outer drum. This outer drum is completely solid, totally waterproof, and bolted securely to the frame of the machine. Its only job is to act like a giant, heavy-duty bucket that holds the water while the inner drum spins freely inside of it. The cleaning journey begins the moment you press the start button. The very first thing the machine does is lock the door for your safety, and then it opens up the electronic water valves located at the back of the unit. These valves are connected directly to the hot and cold water pipes in your house. A smart internal computer board carefully opens and closes these hot and cold valves, mixing the water streams together until it reaches the exact perfect temperature you selected for your wash cycle. As this freshly mixed water flows into the machine, it flushes straight through the detergent dispenser drawer. It grabs your laundry soap, your fabric softener, and your bleach, carrying all of those cleaning chemicals directly down into the waterproof outer drum. Because the inner stainless steel drum is covered in tiny holes, the soapy water quickly fills the outer bucket and seeps perfectly through the holes, completely soaking your dirty clothes from the bottom up. Now that the clothes are completely submerged in warm, soapy water, the real magic begins. The machine activates its heavy electric motor and begins to turn the inner drum. If you have a top-loading machine, it uses a central plastic post called an agitator to twist and pull the clothes back and forth. If you have a front-loading machine, it slowly tumbles the clothes, lifting them to the top of the drum and letting gravity drop them back down into the water. This continuous rubbing, tumbling, and twisting is not just for show. It is replicating the exact same physical action our ancestors used when they beat dirty clothes against river rocks. The mechanical friction physically shakes the dirt particles loose from the tight fibers of your shirts and pants. But water and friction alone are not enough to remove greasy food stains or human sweat, because oil and water naturally repel each other. This is exactly where the chemistry of your laundry detergent steps in to save the day. Laundry soap is packed with special microscopic molecules called surfactants. Think of a surfactant molecule like a tiny microscopic magnet with two very different ends. One end loves water, and the other end absolutely hates water but intensely loves oil and grease. As the clothes tumble around, the grease-loving ends of these molecules aggressively grab onto the oily stains trapped in your fabric. Meanwhile, the water-loving ends of the molecules pull hard toward the surrounding water. This microscopic tug-of-war eventually rips the greasy dirt right out of your clothes, suspending the dirt particles safely in the water so they cannot stick back onto your fabric. After the clothes have been thoroughly agitated and the soap has trapped all the dirt, the machine reaches the end of the wash cycle. At this point, the water is dark, dirty, and full of suspended grease. An electric water pump at the bottom of the machine kicks into high gear, forcefully sucking all of that filthy water out of the bottom of the outer drum and pushing it straight down your house's drain pipe. The machine then briefly refills the outer drum with clean, fresh, cold water. It tumbles the clothes a few more times just to rinse away any lingering soap bubbles or leftover dirt particles, and then pumps that rinse water down the drain as well. Finally, we reach the loudest, most intense, and arguably the most important part of the entire process, the final spin cycle. Your clothes are now perfectly clean, but they are soaking wet and incredibly heavy. If you took them out now, they would take days to dry and would drip water all over your floors. To solve this, the washing machine uses the brilliant physics of centrifugal force. The electric motor kicks into overdrive, spinning the inner stainless steel drum at blazingly fast speeds, often reaching up to 1,000 or even 1,400 revolutions per minute. As the drum spins violently, centrifugal force slams your wet clothes hard against the metal walls. Because the clothes cannot pass through the solid metal, they stay pinned against the sides. However, the water trapped inside the clothes is forcefully squeezed out and easily shoots straight through all those hundreds of tiny holes in the inner drum. The water flies into the outer waterproof bucket, where the drain pump immediately sucks it away. The machine spins so incredibly fast that it literally wrings the water out of the fabric, using pure physics, leaving your clothes just slightly damp and perfectly prepped for the dryer or the clothesline. So the next time you toss a heavy load of dirty laundry into your machine, you will know exactly what is happening behind the glass. It is not just a magic box. It is an incredibly smart combination of hidden waterproof drums, temperature-controlled water valves, microscopic chemical magnets, and violent centrifugal force, all working together in perfect harmony to keep you looking sharp and smelling fresh. Understanding how your everyday machines work is the absolute best way to appreciate the technology that makes modern life so incredibly easy. If this breakdown helped you finally understand your appliances and saved you from laundry day confusion, hit that subscribe button, give this video a quick thumbs up, and leave a comment below telling me if you prefer using a front load or a top load washing machine. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.